In raising broiler chickens from start to finish as a poultry farmer, there are some basic things we need to understand. Yes, there are basic things we need to understand as a poultry farmer in order to rear our chickens from start to finish healthily. And so in this video today, I'm going to be giving you 3 steps on how to raise your broiler chickens from start to finish healthily. Number 3 is the most important one, and I don't think you will want to miss on that. So watch this video to the end. I will be back. Welcome back to the channel again. It's your number 1 economic and extension farmer. This channel is all about efficiency, how we can minimize wastage and maximize our profit. We also go outside the box to look for information on how to solve our poultry problem. If you have any problem, let us know in this channel. We'll tackle it together as a one family channel. So 3 steps or 3 things to understand as a farmer in order for us to be able to raise our chickens from start to finish healthily. Number 1 is temperature. As a broiler farmer, we need to have this understanding on temperature. Giving your chickens the right temperature during the breeding period will help you to reduce mortality and reduce diseases. So in order for you to be successful during the breeding period, you have to give the right temperature for your broiler chickens. And if you don't understand temperature or know the right temperature to give to your chickens, I already have a video that speaks on temperature, which I'll be leaving here for you to see. So watch the video and come back to continue from here, or you may want to watch the video at the end of this video. So understanding temperature really helps a lot. You cannot be breeding your chickens without understanding the right temperature to give to them. Some people have this mindset that when you are breeding chickens, you have to cover all the whole opening in the breeding pen. You have to cover and make sure there's no single air coming into the pen. No, that is not the real idea of breeding your chickens. In breeding chickens, what they need is always a warm temperature, something that can keep them warm, not high and not cold, just something warm. And you should put this in mind as a farmer, that as you are breeding your chicken, in as much as they don't need too much of air, they need air. They need inflow and outflow of air. They need a space for the inflow and outflow of air. Just the right temperature given to them will help you to be successful in breeding. So like I said earlier, click on that link and watch the video on understanding temperature, then come back and continue from this video. And you may want to watch it after this video. So I'll still be leaving a link to it in the description. Number 2 is prevention. Yes, as a poultry farmer, we need to understand the preventive measure to give to your poultry, to your birds. Yes, you need to have a preventive measure that you've designed to use in your poultry farm. So in order to be successful, in order to be successful in raising your chickens from start to finish, you must involve yourself in the art of preventing. There's an adage that said prevention is better than cure. Yes, prevention is always better than cure, because waiting for you to see disease before you cure will cause lots of harm to you as a farmer and the chicken, in the sense that you'll be losing your chickens as a farmer, and also your profit is going to be lost at the end of everything. So please don't wait to see disease before you attack. Prevent disease from coming into your pen, as prevention is always better than cure. So like I said earlier, waiting to see disease before you cure may be too late. Yes, you may be too late when you are going to treat this particular disease you think you are treating now. And this is the reason why farmers are treating disease when they notice their chickens are having a particular disease. When they are treating it, it is too late. Despite treating their chickens, they are still losing them. This is the reason why. You didn't prevent the disease, rather you allow it to occur, and that's why you are losing lots of chickens during this period, because you refuse to prevent but allow the disease to occur. I'm repeating it again, treating disease when you see it may be too late, and that is the reason why you are losing your chickens during this period. You are allowing your chickens to have disease before you treat, and it may be too late. In involving yourself in preventive measure, there are things to put into consideration. When you want to prevent disease from coming into your pen, there are things to put into consideration. And number one is regular sanitization. Yes, you have to have a schedule, a sanitizing schedule for your chickens. The number of days to be sweeping your chickens, the number of months you need to be disinfecting your pen. I also have a video on disinfecting your pen while your chickens are still inside. For those of us that are afraid to disinfect our pen, you can go and watch the video on how to disinfect your chicken's pen when they are still inside the pen. So you need to be having a regular sanitizing schedule. Number two is observation. Yes, when you are coming into your pen, the first thing to do is not to feed and it's not to give them water. As a farmer, both a poultry farmer or generally livestock farming, you need to have this observative mindset. When you are coming into your pen first thing in the morning, you have to be observant of what is happening in your pen. Take 15 minutes to look around your pen, to know the air they are breathing in, to know if there's anyone that was affected during the night, to know if anyone is sick, and also for you to know what to do at the moment. So I have a video here on things to do when you are coming into your pen first in the morning that I'll also be leaving here for you to watch. Number three is biosecurity measure. Yes, as a poultry farmer, you need to put your biosecurity measure into consideration. The type of people you allow to come into your pen. And also, if you are allowing people to come into your pen, you need to have a foot bath, a place where they will disinfect their leg and their shoes before they enter into your farm. Number four, under this preventive measure, is healthy feeding. Yes, quality of feed is the major thing to put into consideration when you want your chickens to be healthy from start to finish. I can't stop talking about the quality of feed, as feed plays 70% role in success of your chickens. Yes, the feed they eat plays 70% role in your chickens. It plays 70% role of your income and plays 70% role of how your birds are going to look like at the end of everything. So giving your chickens healthy and quality feed will help you to succeed in poultry business. Will help you to keep your chickens healthily from start to finish. Number five under this preventive measure is supply of clean water. Make sure you are always supplying your chickens with clean water regularly. Number three is understanding signs and symptoms of diseases. Yes, as a poultry farmer, you need to understand the signs and symptoms of diseases. This will help you to know how to treat your chickens, will help you to know what is wrong with your chickens. Although chickens can speak, but they don't speak your language. They don't speak what you can hear. So the only way you can understand the language of your birds is understanding the signs and symptoms of diseases. Yes, you have to understand the signs and symptoms of these diseases with their stool, their action, and their mood. When you see your chickens looking moody, you should know that they are sick. When your chickens stooling green stool, you should know that they are sick. Blood or watery diarrhea, you should know that they are also sick. So if you want to understand disease and symptoms, I have a video that I'll be leaving here for you to watch. So watch the video and understand signs and symptoms of diseases. So I hope this video has helped you to understand how to keep your chickens from start to finish healthily. If there's anything you want me to talk about in this channel, let me know and I'll talk about it. If there's any observation and there's any question you have, please use the comment box and I will attend to it. Catch you up in the next video.